Hey guys, Kaylin here. Saturday, a couple days ago, my friend called me and said, "Hey, do you want to come rescue a Hans macaw?" And I'm like, yeah. So I need some help, guys. For one thing, I need a name for this little guy. And let's check him out. All right, so of course I have to tell you that I'm the author of The Parrot Bliss Bond. I have over 22 species of parrots. I love all my parrots. And this is, well, I don't know his name. So this guy's a little rescue. I don't know much about him. I did notice that he started eating pellets. I've got him in here because I want him to adjust slowly. I don't know how old he is. I just don't know a whole lot about him, but I know two things. Number one, his poop's a little like, do you see the little bit of limey in the liquid? That tells me we might have a liver issue. See that one? I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's great. So I'm going to kind of observe. I'm thinking about taking a poop sample in for him. Just make sure that he doesn't have anything wrong with him. The second thing I know about him is that he only has one leg. So in honor of Emerald, if you've seen my videos, Emerald was my Hans macaw. I want his name to start with an E. He's supposed to be male. If you have any name suggestions, I do need a name for him. But because I don't know how old he is, I think he had a mate, and I didn't get to get his mate. If I could have, I would have. But because of that, I'm just letting him adjust slowly. He is, of course, in a new home, new cage, being quarantined, those kinds of things. So I want to see him get calm, get relaxed. See how he only has one leg? And really, really adjust. So he's in a cage that has a flat level if he wants it. I tried to give him some nice flat areas and a big fat perch, and he does like those. I might replace this up here. It's just a white towel. I might replace it with wood, like some flat wood, so that he has a place to feel nice and safe. See how he likes it there? He's like, I'm calm here. I'm good. So I cannot wait to get to know this little guy. I cannot wait to see if he wants to be in my flock, if he's a new member of my flock, or if we'll be rehoming him. And that's going to depend on him, how he does. Hi. What do you think, guys? Was that a hi? Hello. He seems kind of friendly. I understand that his owner died. So I don't think he was like a breeder or anything. I think he was well loved, but he's not talking a whole lot. Do you see how he's fluffed up in his eyes? Just a little sleepy. I think we have to do a little detox time. And what I mean by that is when I bring birds home, when I rescue, I often find that I need to correct their diet. And as I do, they start to feel better and do better. So I think he's in pretty good shape based on first appearances, but definitely shy. I definitely want to see him eating more, and I definitely want to make sure that everything's good and correct his diet. But there he is. Let me know what you guys think, and name suggestions for a boy that starts with an E. Catch you next time. Okay, so here's the Hans that we were offered as a rescue, and I'm letting him adjust. There you go. Oh, I got to put your bottom on. Your bottom tray. Good job. You went right on in. Hi, sweetie. And I don't know his name. You can see he just has one leg. Let's see how he does initially in his new home. Uh-oh. Go around. That has a flat area in case you need it. Hey, sweetie. Oh, good. You're figuring it out. Yep. Keep going that way. Go the other way. You're okay. Hi, sweetie.